Ayan. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for being here tonight. Honestly, seeing all of you celebrating with me makes this day feel so much more special. I hope you're enjoying tonight as much as I am, and I hope the memories we're making tonight will stay with us forever. Before anything else, I want to give my deepest thanks to God. Thank you, Lord, for giving me life, for guiding me through every challenge, and for surrounding me with love, blessings, and opportunities. You are my constant source of strength, my comfort in times of doubt, and my guiding light in every decision I make. I am forever grateful for your love and mercy, and for allowing me to celebrate this special milestone surrounded by the people I love. To my family, the loved ones who grew with me and shaped me into the person I am today, even though we're not always expressive with each other, I hope you all know how much I'm grateful to have a family like us. We're not perfect, we're far from it, but every moment we share, every lesson you've taught me, and every time you've stood by me means more than words can ever say. Thank you for loving me in your own ways, for supporting me silently and loudly, and for being my safe place no matter what. I carry your love in my heart every single day, and I hope to make you proud in everything I do. To my friends and classmates who have been part of my story ever since, this milestone wouldn't be the same without you. You've helped me grow, witness who I am as a person, and shared countless memories with me. Thank you for all the laughter, the fun, and even the challenges we've faced together. You've picked me up when I was down, reminded me of my strength when I doubted myself, and celebrated every little victory with me. I'm so grateful for each of one of you. You've shaped me in ways I will always treasure, and I hope we continue creating more memories together. To my church mates, my second family, thank you for guiding me in faith and for reminding me of God's love every step of the way. Your prayers, encouragement, and support have meant so much to me. You've helped me grow not just as a person, but as someone who values faith, love, and community. I feel truly blessed to have all of you in my life, and I hope we continue to uplift and inspire each other for many years to come. To my Ninong and Ninang, thank you for being here today to celebrate this important milestone with me. I hope I can still ask for your gifts every Christmas, even though I'm already an adult now. Please continue to guide me as I step into new chapters of my life. I may be growing older, but I will always look